So, a handful of concerned citizens from Jaintia Hills feel dejected. They claim that Jaintia Hills is not part of the roadmap of development of the current MDA government. Can you say anything on it?
Absolutely not. In fact, we've ensured that all-round development has taken place. Has taken place in all the different parts of the state, and all districts have been included. I don't have the exact details with me, but I would be happy to share it with the concerned individual. And in fact, the concerned individual can, file an RTI and can also see the kind of different road projects, the different projects when it comes to healthcare, when it comes to tourism. Many projects have been sanctioned. I don't have the list with me right now, as I said, because you've asked me a question suddenly. But that is not true at all. We have been very, very clear that we should ensure that development reaches all corners of the state.